What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Today I have a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we just got done with here at Krietz Customs. If you guys are looking to get your Jeep Grand Cherokee lifted, add some new wheels and tires to it, this is a really good looking one that you can get some inspiration from. I'm going to go over what we added to it. So first I'm going to go over the lift kit, which is going to be a 2.5-inch rough country lift kit. Rough country has two options when you get a 2.5-inch lift kit for your Grand Cherokees. You can do the strut spacer, or you can go ahead and get a whole complete extended new strut, which will give you some better ride quality if you do have like an older vehicle that does have a little bit more miles on it. So with that, it's going to allow us to fit this bigger wheel and tire package underneath of it and add it so we can get some more width to the wheels and tires to give it a little bit better of a stance. With that, we do have to do some small trimming down here below the bumper on the plastic piece, so when you go to full lock, it's not going to be rubbing when you do that. The tire is going to be a 275/55 R20 Nitto Terra Grappler G2, which is going to be the all-terrain style of Nitto's tires. It's going to give you the better on-road performance. It's going to give you a nice quiet ride and a longer tread life compared to some of the other like hybrid tires or the mud terrain tires, which you also have those options as well if you wanted to go with that. You have your hybrid tire, which is going to be the Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is going to give you a little bit more of an aggressive look, but it's also going to give you a quiet ride as well, and also a longer tread life, so you can also look into that as well. Down here we have a 20x9 Fuel Rebel with it's going to be the 5-spoke with the 5 lug nut pattern. So if you do have a Grand Cherokee, this is what you'll be running. They also have versions for 6 and 8 lugs, which are also going to add a spoke for each one of those as well. So this one does have a lot of different options for you. You have 3 different finishes. You have your matte black, your anthracite, which is going to be kind of like a silver gray, or you also have your bronze, which is going to be a really cool looking, unique finish as well. With this one, it's going to be a little bit more of an aggressive off-road feel to it. It has like the bolts on the outside, bolts like acting as rivets on the outside, and overall it just has some really aggressive lines to really give that look to it. And I really like how this one is going to be the all blacked out finish for this entire vehicle, so it really does give it a nice, aggressive, mean look to it that I really enjoy. So if you guys like this build and want to get that for your Grand Cherokee, we can actually do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. We also offer 0% financing for up to 12 months, so if you guys want to build now, pay later, that is an option that you have. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you check out the description for more information.